Stuck missed call notification on your iPhone. Here's how to fix it. Refresh notifications. Go to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on the notifications. Here, scroll and look for the Phone app option and click on it. Now, turn off the toggle for Allow Notifications. Force restart your device. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Then hold the side button until the screen turns black. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button. And allow your iPhone to restart completely after your iPhone turns back on. Now go back to the same phone notification settings and turn Allow Notifications back on. This simple reset often clears the stuck notification. In the notification settings, look for the option Badges. Turn the Badges toggle off. Wait a few seconds, then turn Badges back on. This refreshes the badge system and can remove that stubborn red bubble. Check missed calls manually. Open the Phone app on your device. Tap Recents at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Missed tab at the top. Carefully review the list of missed calls, because if one is still unread, the badge won't go away. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, click on Reset. A list of reset options will appear. From the list, tap Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. This won't delete your data. It just resets system settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and preferences. Once your iPhone resets, check the missed calls notifications. This might fix the issue. And that's it.